In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do bank reconciliation with Zoho Books. Bank reconciliation is the process of comparing the transactions in Zoho Books with your actual bank statement to make sure everything lines up. Before we begin, have your most recent bank statement handy and make sure your bank feed or imported transactions are up to date. That way, what you see in Zoho Books reflects what actually cleared the bank. Start by opening Zoho Books and heading to your dashboard. This is your home base, and it gives you a quick pulse on your finances. From here, look to the main navigation and select Banking. The Banking section is where all connected accounts live, including checking, savings, and credit cards. If you manage multiple accounts, you'll see them listed so you can work with each one separately. Next, choose the specific account you want to reconcile. Be sure you're picking the same account that your bank statement covers. It can help to double-check the account name and the last four digits if you've got more than one with a similar name. Also, confirm that the date range you intend to reconcile matches the period on your statement, so you avoid pulling in transactions from outside the window. Inside the selected account's transaction view, find the small gear icon. It typically sits near the upper area of the transactions list and opens additional actions for that account. Click that gear icon to reveal the account tools you'll need for reconciliation. From the menu that appears, choose Reconcile Account. This tells Zoho Books you're about to compare what's in the software to what's on your bank statement. It also helps lock in the context for the period you'll review. Now click Reconcile Now. When prompted, enter the statement date for the period you're reconciling and confirm. Use the ending date shown on your bank statement. That ensures Zoho Books pulls in the correct set of cleared transactions. Once you confirm, Zoho Books will prepare the reconciliation screen based on your prior reconciliations and the transactions available for that period. After this, you'll see a focus view that's designed for matching what's in Zoho Books to what cleared the bank. The aim is for the difference to end up at zero, which means your records and the bank agree. If something looks off, like an unexpected beginning, balance, or a missing transaction, pause and review the prior period or check for duplicates rather than forcing a match. Keeping your reconciliation aligned to the statement, date, and period is the key to getting clean, reliable books. That's it. Follow these steps each month, and your financial reports will stay accurate and audit ready. Thanks for watching, and happy reconciling in Zoho Books.